Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So today I'm going to show you a multiplication trick for numbers which are very close to 20. Okay, and trust me, once you get the hang of this trick, then you will be able to solve all of these multiplications in matter of seconds, or probably even in your head. Okay, so very simple. What you have to do first is you just have to understand, or you just have to find how much different or how much away or closer to 20 is all the numbers given. Means 21 is, can I say 21 is 1 unit away from 20. Similarly 24 is 4 digit away from 20. So what you should do is you either add in diagonal manners. So either you add 21 to 4, that gets you 25, or you add 1 to 24, that also will get you 25. So you will have 25 into, now this is interesting, you will multiply 25 by what? You will multiply 25 by 20, because you took the difference with the benchmark of number 20. So 25 into 20 is very easy to do, so you get that as nothing but 500. Now in order to get your final answer, what you have to do is just add 1 into 4. So whatever is the difference, you do a product of that. So 1 into 4 gets you 4. So now your final answer will be 504. Okay students, if you like the way I'm teaching, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Okay, now students, please understand, for any trick to settle in, you need to practice it at least 10 times. Okay, so I'm going to show this one more time, and after that I request all of you all to take a pause and try solving these questions on your own. Okay, and then you can, at the end of the video, you can scroll and check whether you have done it right or wrong. Okay, so now here we have 22 into 25. So here this is 2 digits away from 20, this is 5 digits away from 20. Now we add diagonally whatever ones we have to add. So 22 plus 5 will get you 27 into 20, that gets you 540, plus what you should add is product of 2 into 5, which is 10. So final answer is 550. Okay, I hope you are getting the hang of this. Now I'm sure you must be wondering, this is so much easy because they are very close and all that, but what happens for numbers which are very further? Don't worry, all numbers also can be done very easily. You just need to understand or get the hang of this. Let me do one more of this. So this is what, 5 digits away from 20, this is 6 digits away from 20. So we add, so we have 31 into 20. 31 into 20 gets you 620, plus you will add what, 5 into 6, that gets you 30. So your answer is 650. So 25 into 26 is 650. Okay, so now let's do for bigger ones now. So here we have 31, which is 11 digits away from 20, and this is 9 digits away from 20. So now you add either ways. So we get 31 plus 9 gets you 40 into 20, that gets you 800, and then you will add what, 11 into 9 to it, that gets you 99. So when you add 800 plus 99, your answer is 899. Students, don't forget, at the end of this video I'm going to put up a DIY question whose answer you can mention in the comment section. Okay, but for solving that question you are going to use the trick shown in this video. Okay, the reason for that is, whenever you see a trick, it is very easy to understand, but you know, while solving you will realize what are the few nitty-gritties which you need to keep in mind. Okay, so I always try to put up a DIY question in almost all of my videos, and I request all of you all to solve it with the trick shown in the respective video. So now very quickly let's do one more. So this is 13 digits away from 20, and this is 4 digits away from 20. So now 33, when you add 4 to it, you have 37 into 20, you get 740, and what you should add is product of 13 into 4, which is 52. When you add this two, so I get 792. and that is my answer for 33 into 24. Okay, so now this you must have understood that all of these numbers are like, you know, more than 20. What happens when you have a number which is more than one number which is more than 20 and another number which is lesser than 20? In that case, what you do is, this is how many digits away from 20? This is minus 2 digits. Okay, and this is plus 3 digits. Okay, so in that case, now what you do is either you add diagonally or you subtract diagonally. So in this case, you will have 23 minus 2 gets you 21, or you do 18 plus 3, that gets you 21. So 21 into 20 gets you 420. Now this is going to be very, very important. Instead of adding directly, you have to always do the addition of the product. Okay, so now you all know that when you do a product of a negative number with a positive number, the answer always becomes negative. So minus 2 into 3 will get you minus 6. So your final answer will be 414. Okay. I hope this point is very, very clear for all of you all. Whenever you have a negative number, in that case your final answer will have a subtraction instead of addition. Okay, now over here we have minus 4 digits, this is plus 4 digits, correct? So when you add, you have 20 into 20, which is 400, and now you will subtract. Why we are subtracting? Because we have a negative 4 into positive 4. Okay, so that is going to get you minus 16. So your answer is going to be 484. Okay, I hope you all are getting the hang of this particular method. Now let's do this one more time, which is minus 3, this is plus 2. So you have 19 into 20, which is going to get you 380. Minus 6 will get you 374. So your answer for this multiplication is 374. Oh, I forgot to do this one. So let's very quickly do this. This is plus 3, this is plus 4. So we have 27 into 20, that gets you 540 plus 12. So your answer is 552. Okay. So now time for your DIY. I want you all to tell me what is the product of let's say 33 or into 21. Do let me know your answers in the comment section. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.